Hi! In front of me is UleFone Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display. Now select Home Settings and click on Icon Size. Following that, swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, click on OK, and as you can see after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!